Hey folks, Tristan Scroggins here. Well, we're getting ready to do another Bluegrass Mandolin Skill Builder workshop through the Nashville Acoustic Camps, and that's going to be over Zoom, like as always. It's a 4-week session. We're going to start on October 5th. That's a Tuesday, and it's going to be every Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. Central, 5:30 on the West Coast. And we're going to be talking about playing in a minor key, specifically doing the Lonesome Moonlight Waltz, which is great because we'll also get to talk about playing a waltz. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's over Zoom. They're all recorded, so you don't have to be there live, but I look forward to seeing you there.